Hi everyone, welcome to Summon 2. On these videos, we're going to install the clutch already, and then we're going to put back everything to standard clutch with the handle 400 horsepower. And some of them have to put it back to original, and make the car go smooth and keep the car dry steady. We're going to install accessories made in Japan and original flywheel back on, and then we got the car back to running smooth, back to original. So install, you see the clutch there. And make sure tight by hand with number 10 right bolt. It will be good. Lock tight as well with the breast plate. Bell housing is, and all good there now. See, new bearings and grease, and make sure it's 100% working good. And driving back to standard is beautiful, no question at all. Okay, now we tomorrow we install them back on again, and let's roll down, buddy. Roll down. Very easy to put back. See this one? What I use, see this one? And I go underneath, gig it, and turn it, and then when it's online, this will bring it online. Okay, see this one? You can't put the bolt in yet because the bolt is still. You can get something smaller if you wish, and then light up and then push it on without any using a jack or anything. Go underneath here. See, wait it on, it should be online itself. Okay, like this. Okay, straight up with the block, straight them up and light them up like this, and then you can push on and it's online, and you can install on. Should be easy, right? Sorry, I wish you can see. We have the trouble when we pass the speed hump and the car a little bit low and it hit on. So what I do is using the rivet one, I'm gonna make the steel plates around here, one bolt holding along here and go out 1, 2, and they bolt it here, and try to make something to protection the sump, just in case when I go down too fast and I may damage the hump, the sumps. See this damage? So it's been better do it now. And I'm using this 1 hole, 2 hole, and 3. So I'm making triangle plate like this, avoid away from the here. Put them on. Okay, this is very strong, and you can have the just drill a hole bigger, just like this one on, and we'll be happy. Okay, this like this. Okay, tomorrow I have to get the 3 bolts. I bought it to sheet of gauze, 500 by 500 or 600 by 600. Join them together, and I got the 5 mm. That's what I want, and make the hole, rivet them on. You don't need very good fancy machine, because this is homemade. Okay, we don't talking about machine here, we talking about handmade. And later put it down, and this is the bumper go underneath where the sump is whenever heat, and you rub on the sump for the fast and the furious. Okay, stick this on. You buy this from Bunning as well, and stick them on, then they touching the sump and the sump protection butthole here. And when you try to pass the speed hump, and you don't worry about breaking your oil sump out, you don't have to come and see Simon. Clearly this is how it works. And when you hit the speed hump or something, just rub here and it sneak away. Okay, no trouble at all. That's what I would do if I have a car like this and you want protection your engine bay. The twin clutch is out, and then now we put the original clutch back. So this is the original one. This is the original master slave, but it's been gone, and I got rid of that one, and I buy this one off the EB3, and it's gonna be a little bit stronger, and I should use this one for twin clutch as well, but by the time being I got that one from the D-Max and I convert them on, so I better put this one back in the right way from beginning, and I got my car reliable and driving very safety. Okay, this is much stronger design, and this one terrible design, cannot handle twin clutch. This one can handle twin clutch. This one about genuine one, about $240. And yeah, we put everything back standard back on, and this one will be way lighter if I push my foot on the acceleration, and driving even lighter than the original one. The twin clutch is out, and then now we put the original clutch back. So this is the original one, so slave, but it's been gone, and I got rid of that one, and I buy this one off the EB3, and it's gonna be a little bit stronger, and I should use this one for twin clutch as well, but by the time being I got that one from the D-Max and I convert them on, so I better put this one back in the right way from beginning, and I got my car reliable and driving very safety. Okay, this is much stronger design, and this one turbo design cannot handle twin clutch. This one can handle twin clutch. This one about genuine one, about $240. And yeah, we put everything back standard back on, and this one will be way lighter if I push my foot on the acceleration, and driving even lighter than the original one. Get rid of this ugly making by Simon, so put the original one back on, and we'll be right. This worked very well for time being. The D-Max one of the D-Max 2014 and original one, to make it similar, you see. So this is a good one going. The EP3, the shorter shaft here, and this is the original one shaft. We have to get the one from the original one. See, the shaft is longer, so we have to replace this shaft from original one, from original one to go in here, and then we can have the push shaft. Or replace this is very simple. See, it's gonna be in like this. It's shorter. Gonna push it on, and the O-ring go in. Get the O-ring in, and then we take the O-ring off and the circlips. Take it up, and it can pop up like this. Okay, don't move, don't touch anything. Just put everything back to normal, and slide the original one on. See the difference? About 2 centimeters shorter. All do is one hand push, one hand slide the circlip O-ring on. And you got it left about 1 centimeter left because the new clutch is high, so leave it at that much. And now we can slide on. See what I should do from beginning when I replace the twin clutch, and that's what saved me time, so I don't convert the D-Max on. But they're all good now. I love it. I love it. All the hoses hook on, and at the back the new pump, new master slave cylinder, and new slave cylinder. Now they have no oil in there. If you are 2 people at the shop, will be easy, but you by yourself, you can do nothing. All we have to do is just release this one. Number 8, release that one. Something like this one, I buy them for this purpose job, because only by myself all the time. So what I do is put this one, okay, show you, you can do it yourself, okay, into that nozzle where the leader feeding behind here. Man, I cannot reach, too short. Sorry, I'm a short ass. Just slide this one into here first. Yep, slide them behind that nipple here. So we've been released the nipple, right? And slide this one on anyway you want. And then now we do is just press and suck until you see the bubble coming up, you see, and it coming down from there. Okay, we get some more. So it's coming in, and the fluid from there go down. Now we have to fill it up some more. .4. Always use .4 for the clutch and brakes is the same. Okay, clutch and brakes is the same shit anyway. Okay, we still suck up more until you can see it go down. See it go down. See it go down. See it go down. That's it. And yeah, stop. And then I fill up more. Open up this one and close the nipple. See, open up the gap very little tiny until you don't see the bubble no more, and you turn this one down straight away. And then you look over there, and then here, no bubble. See when it suck up, and then when you in, you pump a few pump, and then it's super perfect. Look at that. That's what you want, man. Beautiful. Very good. Everything on. Now it first start of my life again with the new clutch. Beautiful. Warm it up, and you will see testing here. Straight away. No question at all. Oh man, I love it. I love it. What else we expect, man? Lights are try like a trim now. It's like a trim now. We reverse it out. Beautiful, man. So we clean up, we warm up the car. So nothing to worry. It should be very smooth to drive. Warm it up. Warm it up. Okay, smoke. Smell it. You can name it. Whatever it is, leave it there. Okay. And don't let the oil, the line touch in there. That's all we need. Okay. Avoid here. So watch out for the smoke because the oil new, everything new. Good. Warm up and see. But I know so far the clutch is super smooth and light. No worry at all. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon and clutch install. Standard one back on and light, beautiful, release, go straight away, no question at all. Will be no trouble for us to driving now and very happy. So should be warm up and drive later, but no different, man. Fun, what? Don't put anything, don't do anything stupid and you blow up your clutch again. See ya.